Hello, Clever Cub. It's quiz time. Click subscribe. It's fun to rhyme. I hold your drink for you. I called a cup. Yes, you are right. I go on your feet. I come in twos. I help you walk. What am I? Well done. It's your shoe. I scoop and steal your soup. I called a spoon. Well done, clever cubs. You kick me on the ground. I roll and roll around. Very good. It's a ball. I have four legs. You sit down. Who am I? Yes, it's a chair. Well done. I have pages you can read. I tell stories you need. Tell my name. Yes, it's a book. Well done. I clean your teeth up and down in the morning and night. Toothbrush. Well done, clever cubs. I am soft and on your bed. You hug me at night. What am I? Pillow. Well done. I open and close to let you in. What am I? A door. Well done, clever cubs. I make things bright so you can see. Switch me on. That's the key. What am I? Light. Yes. Well done. I hope you like the quiz. Bye, clever cubs. Keep guessing and keep smiling. But don't forget to subscribe.